Hey guys, it's Damien here from Donkey Racing Engines. We had the opportunity to rebuild this 5-litre Holden V8 after I tuned it and I made 107 real kilowatts. The owner was pretty disappointed with the old engine. We used the same style of flat top pistons, just 30 thou oversized, with a Crow hydraulic roller cam and Morel lifters. I had to go up porting the heads. First time I've ever done any iron heads, and I had good success. We made 247 CFM on the intake and 162 CFM on the exhaust. We're just going to complete our R&D on this 5-litre now. We built the engine, flat top pistons, a little bit of compression, ported heads, roller cam, a few nice bits and pieces, but when we were tuning it we found it was extremely knock limited. It made 132 kilowatts with about 12 degrees of timing. It made okay torque, but it didn't take any timing like we expected. It did have a standard exhaust system, standard cast manifolds. We've now got some advanced tri-wire headers and they've been fitted up, and we're going to test out these headers to see if it makes more power without the tune, and then tune it with the headers and see how much more timing it will take. Very interesting. So all we've really done is done the headers. It does punch onto the converter a little bit harder now, but it's making ridiculous more power through the mid-range there. You know, we're picking up 50 kilowatts just with the headers. Pulled 169 kilowatts from 132, so that's a just under 30 kilowatt gain without me even touching the tune yet. Torque wise, you know, it's 80 newton meters without me even touching the timing yet, and it punches on the converter way harder now. So we'll get into the tune now and get the tune sorted and see where we can finish this 5-litre. So we're not knock limited anymore. I added 4 degrees of timing. I tried a little bit extra, so about 28 degrees total, and we're not making any extra power. So we're finding the limitations now to the stock manifold and stock airbox, but 174 kilowatts on a stock intake manifold with a stock throttle body, stock airbox is fantastic going for a standard stroke 5-litre Holden.